Welcome you all to today's class, children. This is Spoken English, lesson 36. Very happy to welcome you all once again to this class. Let's move to the class with the word of the day. Today's word is adept. A-D-E-P-T, adept means very skilled or proficient at something. Example, she is adept at cutting through red tape. Synonyms, expert, proficient, accomplished or talent. He is adept at computer. Next one, I am afraid she is also adept a liar. Liar means the person who never speak truth. Next one, let's move to the class. If you are talking through the phone and if you are giving them your commitment, you can say come home. Come home, I am at home. Okay, next one. When you have a commitment but you are not able to attend the commitment, fulfill the commitment, you can say don't wait for me, I have some work. Don't wait for me, I have some work. Okay, don't wait for me, I have some work means you are not able to attend the meeting. You let the person to move on with their business. Okay, don't wait for me, I have some work. Next one, while you are talking with your friends, some may mock you or some may make fun on you. If you are irritated, you can say don't laugh. Don't laugh, it wasn't funny. It wasn't funny, stop laughing. It wasn't funny, stop laughing. Okay, don't laugh or it wasn't funny, stop laughing. Next one, you might have seen some persons frequently they used to drink tea. They may say I like tea. I like tea very much. I like tea. I like tea or I often drink tea. Okay, next one, you might have observed some persons may have a very beautiful smile, very attractive smile. To appreciate them, you can say, I like your smile. I like your smile. I like your smile. Okay, usually baby smiles are so attractive. Next one, your smile is beautiful. You can say, I like your smile or your smile is beautiful. Okay, next one, you have a beautiful smile. You have a beautiful smile. Okay, you can appreciate with these sentences. I like your smile. You have a beautiful smile. Your smile is beautiful. Anything you can say. Okay, let's come to the next one. In the evening, the sun is filled with red lines due to sunset. It attracts the persons. Where you can say, I like the evening sun. I like the evening sun. Okay. The horizon is filled with the sun rays, red sun rays. It can be said as, I like sunset. Okay. During the windy season, we will experience the wind. If it is a breeze, we will like it. Isn't it? You can say, I like the wind on my face. I like the wind on my face. Let us come to know something about the food. If you notice, some food may not consist spicy items in it, spicy ingredients in it. Those are all known as bland food. Usually children like to eat bland food. If you like that, you can say, I like bland food. Okay, next one, the food with salt and spicy. Some food may not consist sweet items, where you can say, I like savories. If you like them, you can say, I like savories. Savories means the food items which consist only the salt and spices. Next one, usually your grandma likes to say story. That can be said as, my grandma likes to narrate stories. Okay. Next one, your baby brother or baby sister, they like to draw something and paint That can be said as she likes to paint pictures. She likes to paint pictures or he likes to paint pictures. Hope you understand, children. Let us meet in the next class. Until you use them in your spoken, goodbye.